So today is the day that our Clarity Algo drops. Okay, one of the best tools you will ever find, the best indicators, the best signal callers, the best anything that you will ever find online is dropping today. Buy, sell signals, top, bottom signals, all that good stuff, man. Insane results. This thing will turn you into a fucking 5-star trader overnight. Like, it's just that crazy. We spent months and months and months developing it, making sure that it worked on all time frames. We got new indicators coming all the time on it. It's going to be crazy, bro. It's going to be actually crazy. So that drops at 1 p.m. Pacific time today. That would be 4 p.m. Eastern time. It's going to be crazy. So be on the lookout for the link when it drops, okay? Now, I want to go over kind of like my market analysis for the week. I told you guys that last week, if we broke below the 200-day moving average, we would drop hard. We didn't break below it. We have a huge rejection here, and then price came back up. It did not want to break it. So, as of right now, okay, NASDAQ is extremely bullish. Like the Clarity Algo literally said it was going to drop. It dropped a bit, and now it's saying it's going to buy, and it's going up. So, it's literally extremely bullish right now. Now, for this to become bearish for me, we got to see it break this 200-day moving average / now support zone. We have to see it break it. If price comes back down, retest it again, and comes back up, I mean, it could be a long time till we drop. If price does reverse and break below it, again, I do believe that as soon as this 200-day moving average does get broken, it's going to be major droppage. I still am sticking with that analysis. But as of now, like I said, if it doesn't break it, I can't look for short positions, and I can't take a big investing type sell, swing trading sell, I should say, until we break it, and we're just not breaking it right now. So NASDAQ's very bullish right now. Now I want to take a look at gold as well again. Okay, gold broke out of this channel. We're still outside this channel. So just because, price is retracing a little bit, it doesn't really mean a lot. If we take from this drop down, we are actually in a gold zone Fibonacci, so we could see price actually continue down hard, which I think we probably will. I think we'll probably continue to drop. We're looking at a little bit of resistance zones here, retest of the breakout / another resistance zone here. There's a couple spots that we can kind of retrace to before we drop harder, but we are in a Fibonacci zone, so I do think that we probably will drop down into the zone like I predicted, and we'll kind of see what's going to happen at the 200-day moving average from there. But again, just heading back to NASDAQ, major bullish moves right here. This bullish candle closed last at the end of the week right here. It was already a good sign, but now we're opening the week bullish. The bulls are in. A lot of buying power. A lot of people are buying right now. So we'll see what happens with that, but that's what I'm looking at right now. And it looks like U.S. banks are finally being forced to raise rates on deposits. All right, deposits declined last year for the first time since 1948, and rising funds costs for banks seen weighing on profit growth. Now, I want to go over kind of, just where we're at as an economy right now, as we have employment rates being at an all-time high, which is just, to me, it's inaccurate. Okay, just in my family alone, I would say probably 10% of them are employed. But anyways, we'll stick with what Biden's saying and what everybody's saying. But employment rates are extremely high. We have housing markets coming down. U.S. banks are getting weird in the sense of being very, very picky about who they select or who they're okay with giving out mortgage loans to. It is a time where it does seem like we are heading towards a very fat recession, but the markets aren't showing that. Now, you got to understand, fundamentals only play into technical analysis. It only changes the way the market moves with major news events. Now, what I mean by that is I'm talking about recessions and market drops. Okay, if it's employment rates or NFP, it's going to affect the market for 1 second, but then the market's going to do what the market's going to do. I want you guys to stop looking at news events and fundamentals as, okay, this is what's going to happen, because the markets are not looking good. There's a lot of weird things happening right now. And, overall, we see on the charts, they're going up. We're in a bullish market. So how can everybody be so scared? And, housing prices are going down and we're in a recession. We're going to a recession, but the markets are showing we're going up. This is why technical analysis is important. And this is why the Clarity Algo is going to fucking kill it. Technical analysis is much more powerful than fundamental analysis unless there is a major recession. want you guys to keep that in mind. Remember that. That's all I got for you guys today, man. Tomorrow we'll break down some wins, break down some trades, and we'll go over where we are. I'll see you guys later. Peace.